In this video, we will go through some of the steps involved in searching the Pubmed MeSH or the medical subject heading database that can be used for searching MeSH terms that include headings, subheadings, and various publications. MeSH is a vocabulary thesaurus used for indexing articles on Pubmed. Now, in order to perform a search for your topic of interest, select MeSH from the scroll down menu on top left-hand corner of the Pubmed homepage. After selecting MeSH from the scroll down menu, type in your search query in the search bar. For example, if I would like to search for Alzheimer's disease, after selecting the appropriate term from the drop-down menu, the drop-down suggestions, I've clicked search, and what this has done is this has created a hierarchy of headings and subheadings associated with Alzheimer's disease. Now, if I'd like to search for example, the pathophysiology, only the articles listing the pathophysiology of Alzheimer's disease, I will check mark physiopathology or pathophysiology, and I'll add it to my search builder. After this, I will click search Pubmed. Now what this has done is that it has enlisted all the relevant articles relating to only the pathophysiology of Alzheimer's disease. The use of this explosion menu of Pubmed MeSH database enables me to perform a more targeted search while remaining relevant to my topic of interest. Now over here on the left hand side, I see these options, these filters that I can further use to refine my search. For example, if I just would like to see articles from the last 10 years, I can select this, and this will further refine my search. And now if I only want to see the free full text articles, this further refines my search. As you can see, from 3,000 something articles, we're down to 2,400 search results. Now I can even select the article type. If I would just like to see the randomized controlled trials, I can select this box, and this will further refine my results aimed at the full free text articles, randomized controlled trials, enlisting the pathophysiology of Alzheimer's disease. Now I can even add additional filters to my search to further refine my search and to further perform a more targeted search. What this does is this saves you a lot of time, and you can actually filter out the articles that you do not need in your search. And this hierarchy that you see is very similar to the template that we use on Wikidoc. So this actually helps us a lot in order to perform a more targeted search. And for example, if we're working on classification, we can select classification, we can add it to our search builder, and we can search Pubmed for only the articles that enlist the classification or are more targeted towards the classification of Alzheimer's disease.